why use Google's cloud? Well, there are three main vendors out there, and we supply training within QA for all three of them. We have Microsoft Azure, we have AWS, and obviously Google Cloud Platform. And they all do something unique to them, to their own environments. Microsoft are leading the way with platform as a service, AWS leading the way with infrastructure as a service, and infrastructure as a service is virtual machines and virtual networks and traditional cloud-based storage. So they're very much the lift and shift components that the organisations find themselves using when they go from on-premise into the cloud. It's effectively doing the same thing you was doing on-premise in someone else's data centre with little overhead for administering the actual environment that's propping up the virtual machines. Platform as a service is when, well, really all you need is a good idea. So I might need a collaboration server, I might need a messaging server or a database server, but rather than install the OS, patch manage it, provide availability, provide fault tolerance, I can have all of that delivered to me by just effectively saying, well, I need a database server, a SQL instance, it needs to be this big in this location, and I'll pay for it by the second. Where Google really come into their own is a little bit of everything, really. They are very, very good at building infrastructure as a service very, very quickly. Their network is like nothing else that we have in any other public clouds. Google's network is their own. They've effectively created their own internet. So your next hop is your destination in Google's network. So it's super low latency. They even had network tiering, which no other provider has. So certainly infrastructure as a service is very strong for them. But really, some of their main attributes are really in the data side of things, as you'd expect for Google. We collect data about absolutely everything we do all day, and so Google give us an opportunity using managed services to be able to extract useful information from it, and in some cases monetize it, in some cases use it to make ourselves more efficient, leaner, easier to scale, maybe more secure and comply with the latest standards like GDPR.